What's going on, guys? Malvados Garage back with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button if you enjoy the content. In today's video, I'm going to be registering my plates because they're already expired and I finally fixed my truck to be able to pass smog. So that's good. I'm hella excited about that. Passed it. Now I need to go to Albertsons and go pay the fees. Also, later in this video, well, like in a little bit, I'm gonna meet up with Isaiah and he finally got his tonneau cover for his truck, so we're gonna be installing that too. And yeah, just enjoy the video. So I just got done with the tuner thing. Now there's a check engine light right now because it's in accessory mode, but now to turn it on, I think it's gone. No more. All right, now let's go get this done with and dealt with. So I just got here to Albertsons where they have the little kiosk for the DMV. And I'm about to go inside and we'll get it done. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how much it was or something like that. You guys want to know.
One eternity later.
So after like about an hour, I'd say, exactly maybe an hour actually, I finally finished getting it done. I have the new registration, I put the sticker on, so I'm back to legal. Now time to head to Isaiah's place. I just met up with Isaiah. Well, I've been with him for a minute now, but we're waiting for his tonneau cover to arrive, and Nit said it was gonna get here from 4 to 6, and now it's 6 o'clock, 6:26 and nothing. Basically, we're getting food now at Jack, and then we're gonna head back and help beat the person before they get there. Yeah.
All right, guys, it's finally here. After not that long of waiting, but feels like forever, it's here. Finally, the tonneau cover is here. We're gonna get it set up, not set it up, set it up.
Let's get to it. What does the note say? Oh, that's instructions.
It's a love letter. Oh, that's all the instructions.
Alright, so we got the instructions to see what we're gonna do. This is how the packaging comes. What was this specifically called? Proven ground, low profile, hard, trifold, tonneau cover. So it's gonna be installation and review. Alright, so just gonna unbox this now.
Oh.
Explain to them what you got in your hand. What is that?
A box.
Hardware?
That's that.
Probably hardware.
Styrofoam. That's that.
We need that. Crucial. Oh, I thought this had something in it.
I want to hit you with this so bad.
Hit me in the head. Oh, that one, it was heavy. What is this? Well, I'm already taking a peek. What is this?
Oh, I think those are drain tubes.
Cool, whatever that is. To the side.
A lot of
Like, this is our appetizers.
weather stripping.
Appetizers, and then we get to the main meat and potatoes in there. There's also...
Rails.
There's about to get rail. That's sick.
Magic bundle.
Alright, now the main thing. Ooh, that looks nice. Look at that. Look at the texture on there. What is this? Ooh.
$700.
Smell it? What does it smell like?
Wait a second.
I know, right?
It smells like the new Lexus.
Oh, I know it doesn't.
It smells to me. That's what it smells.
If you guys can smell it, it smells like peaches.
Peaches.
It smells like peaches. Or like some
Alright,
fruit. Some fruit.
I used to work at Lexus as a salesperson, and the interior, this is exactly the smell. To the fucking T. He says peaches.
I don't know, I just... Dang, that really smells good. Makes me like hungry for like an apple or something. Alright, give us a second. We're about to adjust ourselves. basically we have to install this railing first because then the drain tubes connect right into this little spout. What is this, left or right? How we oh. So we have it semi figured out. We're thinking that these little bolts, or these little clamps go here, attach on the back side of this thing. And we got one over here too. Right there, attached the same way. Now we're gonna tighten these bolts, turn the little drain thing down. That one's gonna attach to here using the little drain thing. So replicate this side onto this side right here. Yeah, we'll show you when it's done. So I was telling Isaiah that before I tighten this one down, because I was just about to tighten that one down, I want to make sure this fits, because if you guys see, there's a tiny little gap in the back over here, so I don't know if it's gonna like pass through. So I'm about to test that and see what.
Yeah. So what you might need, depending on your truck,
Yeah,
is
basically just oh, nice. Basically, this is just a rubber grommet that has like some clips there. Just pull out
for water protection, but since it's gonna be a tonneau cover, don't
basically
matter.
Drain tube's gonna go in there, drain the water out. Drain tube connects to this little white part here, so we'll get back to you guys and figure that out. I recommend you guys put the drain tube on before you push it all the way back, because now we're gonna have to probably loosen these bolts and then scoot it back a little bit and then connect it. And then
also, the reason why there's a drain tube, for the people that might not know, is for the water that gets in the rails. That's what it's meant for.
Drains into there, okay, yeah. So we'll get back to you when we're done with the steps. All right, so me and Isaiah just got it in.
More
kind of like. Oh, look, see, perfect, exactly, look. Isaiah's gonna slide it back, hit it more back, as far. There you go, boom, it's touching the back. Drain tube is in, going down, and that just drains straight into the ground. That's the gas tank.
A little bit of gassing there.
But that's fine. In there, and I think it should be good now. Replicate exactly what we did here to the other side, and we'll show you guys when we're done with that.
So basically the way it goes is, like Danny said, you're gonna loosen it all the way. You see this one has a notch. You're gonna want to put the one with multiple grooves on the back side. Put this one
Boom,
in the
right
groove.
there. The other one. Just turn it around.
Boom.
You see that? Dude, this is a perfect angle. And Isaiah tightens it down
With the
provided wrench that they give you. Just like that. It's not gonna fall off and you can get the other side. I recommend you guys do this with at least 2 people, because one needs to hold this while you tighten that, because if not, that one's gonna fall off, then this is gonna fall off, and it's gonna be kind of a mess. All right, so we got done both sides. Both rails are in, boom, boom. And now we're on to the next step. Basically line it up right here, boom, boom. Isaiah's gonna cut it on that side. Let me go over here. Oh my. Oh my. All right. There. Isaiah's gonna cut it on that side to lane. Oh, they have a backside like tape where you just have to pull it off and it sticks. So we'll do that right now. So we got it, look, boom, right in the middle, all along the whole edge. Boom, to the other edge. I don't know what this next step. I got a better angle. And the next step is to place the tonneau cover again. Yeah. Right here. So
Step
tonneau
4
cover.
does say will help.
No, I'm not helping, so you're not gonna be able to do it. So we got it on. Basically, you have to make sure that this this latch part, okay, look, there's like a seatbelt, right? So look, there's a latch. This part right here that it clips into, that has to be at the back side towards the rear view, the rear glass window. Because when you lift it up like this, for example, when it goes like this, basically you're just gonna have to like clip it in when like you don't want it to like fall over. And so yeah, so basically also another thing that I was noticing.
It's a feature. So if you have something bigger like furniture or something, you can fold this back, flip it on, and it won't go anywhere.
Where am I?
Where am I? The rear view.
But anyways, so I was like noticing that you have to put this little like a rubber piece on top of this so you can ride on it. And yeah, basically all we have to do now I think is like bolt it on, and I think you're good. I think it's all done. Okay, so there's these holes right here, right? These holes on like the farthest part of the tonneau cover. Boom, hole right there, right here. There's these bolts that I think go in here, right? And I'm gonna explain to you guys how I think they go from the inside out. So you go here, and I think they go like this. I think it goes bolt through the tonneau cover, and then I think it goes in this thing from the inside, from the bottom of the thing. And then that's when you have these two little washers. I'm pretty sure you stick them under and tighten it down from the inside. And I think that's how it goes. So we're gonna try that with you. So we just figured something out about these pieces that go down there, right? So in the instructions, nowhere does it say where these things go, right? And I think that's what this thing is right here. So that's what I'm guessing, right? And I was like, oh yeah, like you just have to like, you know, like wiggle it in. Like it seems like it goes here, it fits right and stuff like that. And I was like, yeah, like, you know, I know how to do it. And I was like, yeah. And I was like, Isaiah. And I started realizing, I was like, okay, how is this going to go in here, right? How is this going to go in here? Because it's not like buckling down there. It's just complicated, right? So I was like, wait a minute. I was like, this seems like it just slides in perfectly right there. And it slides all the way across to the backside, right? And what's in the way? This bolt. I think we can just loosen this one and then just slide it all the way down there. Because that's what I did to like get the thing out. I just lifted it from here. All right, so it's not that bad, okay? So we just have to loosen these and insert this in all the way down there. So we'll cut to when we're sliding this down there. All right, so look, we slid it in. Now Isaiah's just gonna slide it all the way down to where the bolt goes. Everything's done. We're done. Truck looks good.
Ooh,
boom. This thing looks sick. So this is how the truck looks now. Tonneau cover. That looks so sick. Boom. Finished product. Looks good. Works well. And yeah, we're gonna probably end it here. So we both hope that you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, if it helped you, give it a like and subscribe if you like the content on our channel. Post every single Monday and Thursday. We kind of lagged behind on today. This is probably going to be posted on Friday tomorrow, or maybe late at night, but I'm pretty sure more likely on Fridays. And yeah, so big thanks to Isaiah for getting that tonneau cover.
Big thanks to this guy for helping me. I actually did most of the work for the rest for the rest of the Malvados group out there. Fuck y'all.
Bro.
Either now you guys have to get new parts because you guys are working, right? So you gotta get money to get the parts. So either get parts or get kicked out.
Yeah. But yeah, so stay tuned for more because Isaiah's planning on getting headlights and tail lights, but that's probably like in the near future. And for me, I probably got like, I have to do some things to my truck, but I'll let you guys know in like probably the next video that we do. So thank you guys. It's been Malvados Garage here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.